Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to create your account on Bitget. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. So alright, if you don't have a Bitget wallet, you can go ahead and go to your Play Store if you're using an Android. So this is your Play Store right here. You go to it. If you're using an Android and if you're using an iOS, you go to your Apple Store. So right here on your Play Store, you click on your search bar right here. You click on search bar. Once you click on search bar right here, you type in Bitget. So you can see Bitget right here. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be seeing install right here if you haven't installed it, but I have installed mine, so it's showing only update. So you go ahead and click on it and install it. Once you install it, this is how it will appear on your screen. So you can go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, this is the home page of your Bitget app. So this is how it's going to look like. So you'll be seeing two options right here. You'll be seeing login and sign up. So you go ahead and click on the sign up because you want to create an account with Bitget, right? And if you're watching this video, you don't have an account with Bitget, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. So right here there are two options in which you'll be using to create your account. You either choose to create your account with your email, or you choose to create your account with your phone number right here. And again, if you look right here, you'll be seeing three different options right here. You either choose to log in directly with your Google account. You can always go with whichever options you're comfortable with. So right here is where you put in our referral code so you can get your 10% discount on your first deposit using our affiliate link will be in the description below. So right now, remember, I already have an account with Bitget, so I'm just going to click on this login icon right here. I'll click on the login icon. So once I click on it, I'll just go ahead and type in my Gmail right here. I just inputted in my Gmail and I'll just fix this puzzle right here. And right now I'm asked to input in my password, so I'm just going to pause this video to input in my password. Ahead and click on login right here. I'll click on login. Once I click on login, a code will be sent to my Gmail and also my Google Authenticator. So right now I'm going to go to my Gmail and also my Google Authenticator to input in the code that has been sent. So right now I just inputted in the code on my Google Authenticator, and right now I'm asked to enable fingerprint, so I'll just click on enable right here. To enable my fingerprint, I'll just click on enable. You can use Face ID if you want to, and congratulations, you have successfully created your Bitget account. So this is your home page right here. This is your home page. This is how it looks. Congratulations for creating your Bitget account. So this is the simplest way of creating your Bitget account using our affiliate link. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are still watching this video, and leave a thumbs up. And also there will be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel. Do it to check it out. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.